Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to compare the OnePlus 9 and the iPhone 11 in PubG, basically comparing 90 FPS versus 60 FPS, a 90 Hz display versus a 60 Hz display. So talking about the design first, the OnePlus 9 has got this alert slider which takes it from silent, vibrate or ring, which is really good according to me. One of the best things OnePlus has in their phones. Apart from that, you get a USB Type-C fast charging, which is their warp charging, and you get a 120 Hz refresh rate. While holding the phone, it's pretty convenient, so that's not a problem, but you're going to cover one side of the speaker. The iPhone, on the other hand, has got the ringer switch or the alert slider, as you may call it, and pretty convenient. Again, lightning, a fast charging which is 50% in 30 minutes if you have the charger, and it's a 60 Hz display. So let me give you the display specifications. So the OnePlus 9 comes with an AMOLED display with 1080p resolution at 120 Hz, while the iPhone 11 comes with a 60 Hz display at a sub 1080p liquid retina LCD display. So those are the differences with respect to the displays, and I will put them at full brightness. And before we do the game opening test, do subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Now coming to the actual part, so let's look at the display properly. So we do have the 120 Hz on here, and I can show it to you over here. So screen refresh rate is high. This is Oxygen OS 12, so we can experience some delay with respect to app opening because it is in the beta stage. Apart from that, I think everything is good. On the iPhone, there is no display setting as such, so it is a 60 Hz fixed display and you cannot take it higher or lower. With respect to the iPhone 13 Pro Max and Pro, you can take it to a higher level, but this is the iPhone 11. Now let's look at the battery life, and we will also look at it once I finish the video. So we'll look at it after the video is done as well. But the battery is for the OnePlus at 67%, while the iPhone is at 44%. So at the end of the video, we'll be able to see what exactly is the battery life, and with the battery life percentage, let's also look at the size of the batteries while you look at which game starts first on both of the phones. So we are looking at a 4500 mAh battery on the OnePlus 9 with a 65 watt charging, which is 1 to 100% in 29 minutes, and on the iPhone 11, it is a 3110 mAh battery, and I already said that you can get a fast charging which is 50% in 30 minutes with an 18 watt. So we saw the OnePlus starting up faster here, and it is a Snapdragon 888 processor with 8 GB of RAM, because this is the 128 GB. And the iPhone 11, on the other hand, has a 2-year-old processor, so you have a A13 Bionic with a 4 GB of RAM. Depending upon whichever storage you choose, you still get 4 GB of RAM. So that's the difference here. The screen is not that good because it is a sub 1080p, while the OnePlus 9 at least is a 1080p display. So those are the basics. Now diving into the settings, I am clicking on the 90 Hz, and as I said, you can only do it on the OnePlus 9, so I've put it at 90 FPS, and you cannot choose any other resolution, so it has to be smooth and 90 FPS. So I'll do the same thing for the iPhone 11 as well. I will choose the maximum amount of at least frame rate with respect to resolution being maybe HDR, so that's the maximum. I'm not sure why would someone want to play an Ultra HD on this phone, because it really doesn't support it. It is a sub 1080p display, so an HDR would be good. So the maximum frame rate which I can get is extreme, and the resolution is HDR, and it is telling me to restart the game. So I will restart both these games and let's again look at the speed test so that we can see which one starts first. So I'm going to clear all the apps in the background, and that was only PubG or BGMI for the iPhone 11, and now let me clear the OnePlus 9 as well. So with both of them clear, let's give it another shot. So the OnePlus again starts faster here. There's not much difference between both of them, but you know, I should give credit to the iPhone 11 as well. Being a 2-year-old phone, it is going practically toe to toe with the Snapdragon 888 processor and the OnePlus 9, which is a very recent phone. So this is good that way, and Apple has always been really good at app openings and game openings. So it's a powerful processor. Now let's take it a step further and we will look at the gameplay as well. And just to let you guys know, I'm going to fast forward some part of it. So if you want to look at it, you can always slow it down in YouTube settings and you can watch the content. Now just double checking everything and all the resolution seems okay. So we have 60 Hz fixed, so that is extreme plus HDR on the iPhone 11, and 90 FPS smooth on the OnePlus 9. So with that, getting into the game now, and both of them are on network, so not on Wi-Fi but on network and the same connection, so they should be fine. And this is where I have fast forwarded the entire process, so you can slow it down if you want to see the drop off. Now with that, I have landed both the phones at the same place. So my next step would be to get the same guns for both of them, and I think any gun would be fine. I will do it without a scope and it should be okay to, you know, have a fair comparison between both of them. So I will play with both the phones. You can see the gameplay also with both of them. After I find two exact guns, I will do a short comparison over there, which will help us see which phone is faster. Also, you can listen to the sound. So right now I'm speaking and I'll be quiet so that you can hear the OnePlus 9 and at full volume, that is, and whatever sounds come through. So now I've got the same guns and I will go and exchange it with both the players so that you can see the same gun with both the phones. But before we do that, I will keep quiet so that you can hear and see the gameplay on the iPhone 11 as well. So now both the players have the same gun, so I have chosen the UMP over here, And let's do one thing. Let's start with reloading. So let's reload together. And they are almost the same. I did not find any difference in reloading. So that's pretty similar. Now let's do another thing. Let's shoot together. So that's also something which is possible. And you see, if I move it, you'll be able to see that the OnePlus 9 is a little more responsive to the touch. So that also has a plus point there. It has got high touch sensitivity also, which helps with gaming, while the iPhone is a little lower. So you can see that difference here. You can slow down the video if you want to. The shooting is almost the same, so there is not much difference there. As soon as you touch it, the shooting goes. Now they both are different scopes, so let me just throw the scopes out of the bags so that we can have a very technical sort of a test. So now both of them do not have any scope, and that's the difference. I think the iPhone is faster here, which is a slight surprise to me, but yeah, I think the iPhone is faster. But I would love to hear from you down in the comment section. Which one do you think is faster here? And with the video slowed down, I still think the iPhone is doing a little better, but I would love to hear from you down in the comment section with respect to this scope test at least. But apart from that, when you move around, the OnePlus feels a little more smoother compared to the iPhone. But apart from that, I think both the experiences of the game are pretty similar on the devices. And the iPhone obviously feels the screen is not that vibrant. It feels a little subdued in front of the OnePlus 9. The 90 Hz or 90 FPS gaming is also helping with respect to how fast the devices are. But apart from that, it's pretty good. If you want to look at this particular part of the video, you can slow it down. But now let's move on to the next one, which is the battery life. And so both these devices have been used for the same amount of time while shooting this video, and which gives us a good clarity and understanding of how the battery life is actually if you maybe play half a BGMI game. So at the start of the video, we had seen 67% on the OnePlus 9 and 44% on the iPhone 11. Now the OnePlus 9 is at 61%, so 6% battery hit, which is pretty good if you see. And it's showing in the battery app also that it has drained 5.48%. While the iPhone 11 has drained almost close to 20% of battery life while gaming. So we are looking at 25% now, while BGMI has only drained about 6%, but the overall phone has drained a lot of battery. So this is something to consider, and it is heated a lot also. Might be a specific issue, I'm not sure. The OnePlus 9 is pretty fine, cold to touch right now as well. So with that, we are at the end of the video. Do subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, like the video, please share it with your friends, and as usual, thanks for watching.